Today I want to tell you about something that may come as a surprise to you, and it's this. After someone has been injured, especially after they've been seriously injured, and there is a case there, somebody might be entitled to be compensated, then the folks who might have to pay have a real incentive to kind of tear the injured person's case down. In other words, come at you about your injuries. Are they bad enough? Do they, are you really hurt? Blah, 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 blah. And typically it's an insurance company who is involved in this, who has to deal with whether or not and how much to compensate someone after an injury. And it's not all that unusual for the insurance company in a serious case to spy on the injured person. What I mean by that is they will, on occasion, in these bigger cases, and way more often than you think, okay, they will hire a private eye, a private investigator, to video you. Often it's from a public street or in a public place or something like that. They want to catch you as an injured person on camera doing something so that they can say, oh, she's not really hurt or he's not really hurt. Okay, so for example, most people have to take out the trash, have to take out the garbage, right? Even if you're hurt, you can't let garbage pile up in your house. Well, you could be being filmed doing something like taking out the trash or doing some yard work or something like that, even if you're in pain, or maybe you're having a great day, but usually you're in a tremendous amount of pain and can't do that sort of thing. But they'll video you, and then later down the line, they're going to want to have one of these gotcha moments like, aha, Mr. So-and-so took out his trash on June the 15th, 2022, or whatever it was, okay? So you should be super aware of that. They love to use this tactic in certain cases. Another thing they do in lots and lots of cases is they'll spy on you. They'll basically stalk you through social media, okay? So they'll go in there, they'll look for some kind of picture or something that they can use to say, aha, she's not really hurt, or whatever. And the whole point with all this spying and videoing and video recording and all that kind of stuff, the whole point is simply to attack the injured person's credibility, to say, look, they're faking or they're not hurt or whatever, in an effort to save some money. They're just trying to save some money. And if they tear you down and tear down your reputation and try to say you're a liar, they're going to feel like they're going to score points with a judge or a jury, especially if it ever comes to that. If your case ever went to trial, they would have pre-built in one of these gotcha moments in court in an effort to make you look bad and not pay you what they otherwise should pay you for your injuries and your medical bills and your loss of enjoyment of life and your lost income and all that stuff. It's all about the money for them. It's really important for anybody in this situation to be aware of this. It's a really unfortunate thing that it comes to this, but it is what it is, and it does in fact happen. Hope this was helpful to you.